Create a button and change the icon used in the button according to the user's platform. Icons.delete. Import the Dart.io package to check the platform. We only need the platform class in it. Therefore, show platform. Now let's check the platform. Platform. All platforms like iOS, Android, Windows are available here. You can select isiOS. A ternary operator can be given here. For iOS we can display a Cupertino icon. If not, the material icon. For that you can import the Cupertino package. isiOS. Cupertino icon. Delete. iOS style icon will be displayed. Since this is an iOS emulator, the Cupertino icon is displayed. Can be run with an Android emulator. Let's see the difference between the two. In this way we can check the user's platform. Thank you for watching.